Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Inoma and welcome to our reaction to Robert Lucas. We are going to react to the song Goodbye Baby. This is our first time single take on this reaction. I can probably guess what the song may be about, Goodbye Baby. But let's listen to it. Let's see how it is done.
Yeah, most goodbyes are painful, especially if you probably know in your heart it's the final adieu. So this might be a painful song to listen to if it's made purely in that strand.
Okay.
Let's get started. Robert Lucas. It's the first time single take honest reaction, pure, raw, spontaneous, impromptu. That's the way we love to do it. Let's get started.
Well, goodbye, baby. I know it's time to leave. Well, goodbye, baby. I know it's time to leave. Are small and they're easy to pack. I'll be gone in one trip and I ain't looking back.
Beautiful. Wow, this was pure, raw, in the flesh rock and roll music.
Okay.
Very refreshing to hear music like that after a long time, I think. I mean, at least a few weeks. Pure, raw rock and roll, true to its word. Just the guitar, just the drums, just the voice. These three elements dominating like it should in most rock and roll songs. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Very limited lyrics, just telling it very clearly. Goodbye, baby. That's the message of the song. Pretty much clear what his intent is, what the message is. It's all about the music. It's all about the message. It's all about getting into it, enjoying it, savoring it, rolling with it, singing along. Beautiful.
Wow, it sounded great. It sounded great. There were no gimmicks. There is nothing here and there. It's to the point. The way the music is done as well as the vocals. I enjoyed every moment. It is one of those songs you just have to like every moment of the song. The music was phenomenally well done by the guitarist, the drummer. Everybody had a special place. You know, there are songs where some people are not heard or their, contribution or role is something little. But here everybody's role, whether the person who's a vocalist, he sounds great. Other instruments, the people who are playing, they all sound great at the same time. They are on this level, all of them. Nobody's up and nobody's down. That kind of music construction. It had splashes of the southern flavors on it.
Southern rock influence seemed to be there,
Yeah.
but without the banjo, without the
Yeah,
fiddle,
in the voice and the way the guitars are.
yeah, without those additional
Special
instruments, neither the organ, piano, nothing like that.
Yeah.
It was just pure raw rock and roll.
Yeah.
Nice, deep, clear voice of the vocalist. Sounds rough and at the same time very nice to listen to. A rough, raw voice.
His voice was very heartfelt. The way he sang, there was very, limited lyrics, but the way it was sung, it was very heartfelt. It felt very original, very from the heart that somebody is saying all of that.
Yeah, someone like that with a voice like that, you don't want to mess with. You don't want to mess
Definitely
around with
not.
someone like that. Yeah, this guy means business when he sings. And maybe he plays an instrument too. The way he was singing, it seemed like
Yeah.
he was also on
Felt like.
a guitar along with him or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, beautiful, beautiful all the way.
I
What are
like
your
the
thoughts
way it
on
was.
the lyrics if you want to
If
talk
I have
about
to put my finger on an occasion when this song can be played well, or when it is more applicable, it's like when amazing band, countryside band is leaving for a tour out. For a tour somewhere else. They are going, leaving the town, and he is waving goodbye to his partner, and singing like that. It would be a nice way of exchange between the two. Band and
For,
vocal.
for me, it was more like a final goodbye.
Ah.
That's why I felt he means business. It's like a final goodbye. He's done with it. He's fed up with the relationship, and he's just ready to walk out the door. His bags are packed, and he's ready to go. So that's what it sounded like to me.
It was painful.
Yeah,
for
but
him.
it could be, obviously, it could have many different interpretations. There are many reasons that we say goodbye. It might be an ordinary day, going to work, going on tour, going out for a long trip. Whatever the reason, goodbye is a part of our lives, and it's always painful. Like I said in the intro, it's painful. For someone like me, it's always painful to say goodbye because there's just few people I associate with and I'm close to. So whenever it's time to say goodbye to any one of them, it's difficult to do, and especially with the ongoing pandemic and the way the world is going with crime and things like that. You never know when you'll see someone again, when they'll see you again, when they walk out the door, you walk out the door. So your goodbyes are really, really important in today's world. I've realized that for sure in the last 5 to 6 months. Goodbyes have become more important in our household and in our everyday life.
Because of so many things happening right now in the world, and so many not really good things happening, it's mainly negative news and only negative news pouring on people. And when we talk about people, we cannot generalize and say every single person crowds of people. You have to look at every individual as well, how much of the negativity they are absorbing. And because of that absorption of so much negativity, which is not their choice, which is not that they are asking for, it is automatically happening all over the world, not just in one part or the other. It is happening equally all over the world. People have become very sensitive right now. There is a tremendous amount of anger built up inside, and that aggression that you can sense when people communicate with each other. That is what is happening. I sense it, and it's not the right kind of environment right now. I hope things cool down sooner than later. This was very nice to listen to. Goodbye, baby. I hope he comes back soon to his baby. He felt bad. He said, you know, he felt like crying. The house was cold. The sun was hot outside. He's the one probably who has to get the heat of the sun. But a great song.
He's the one who has to deal with it.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.